Good day, everyone. We are Group 2, and today we'll be discussing a very relevant and emerging topic in the field of technology: edge computing. Edge computing is an emerging computing model that processes and stores data near its source, such as sensors, mobile devices, or smart equipment. Unlike traditional cloud computing, which relies on centralized data centers, edge computing minimizes data travel by handling tasks at the edge of the network. Why edge computing matters? Because it results in lower latency, reduced bandwidth usage, and improved data privacy. In today's digital world, the rapid rise of smart devices and the Internet of Things has led to a massive increase in data generated near end users. Traditional cloud models are now struggling to meet the demand for low latency, real time, and secure computing. According to Cao et al. 2020, more than 50 billion devices were expected to be connected to the Internet by 2020, producing over 40 zettabytes of data globally. This surge has created a strong need for faster, localized processing, which edge computing effectively addresses. For a brief history of edge computing, the concept of edge computing was introduced in 2002 and was described in 2004 as a method for improving system performance by processing data closer to its source. Al-Dulaimi et al. 2020. It emerged in response to the growing limitations of centralized systems, especially in time-sensitive applications. Since then, edge computing has evolved rapidly alongside advancement in mobile technology, 5G, and smart devices. Why it's important now? Today, edge computing plays a vital role in many industries. It supports real time applications in autonomous vehicles, healthcare monitoring, industrial automation, and smart city infrastructure. For example, in smart traffic systems, edge computing allows data from vehicles to be processed, improving safety and reducing congestion. More than just a technological upgrade, edge computing represents a significant shift in how digital systems are designed, making them faster, smarter, and more efficient.
Edge computing is becoming a big thing in technology today, especially with the rise of IoT or Internet of Things devices. It moves data processing closer to where the data is generated, like in smartphones or factories, instead of sending it all the way to a central cloud server. While these setups are efficient, there are still many issues and challenges, especially for countries like ours in the developing world. One of the main issues we face in the third world country is the lack of proper infrastructures. Many areas still suffer from low internet connections, unstable electricity, and outdated hardware. Edge computing relies heavily on real-time data processing, so if the network is unreliable, the system will fail to work properly according to Shi et al. 2016. Since edge computing devices are placed in various remote locations, they can be vulnerable to hacking or physical tampering. Also, processing data at the edge instead of in a secure data center makes it harder to ensure consistent security standards. In countries where cybersecurity is low or not as strict or updated, this poses a greater risk. To maintain and develop edge computing systems, people who understand networking, data management, and cybersecurity. Unfortunately, current developing countries suffer from brain drain or limited access to modern technology, and this shortage of skilled professionals makes it hard to implement edge system properly. For most countries, the implementation of edge computing is a big step. One factor is its high cost of deployment, as it requires investment in devices and servers and maintenance, which makes it a huge barrier for developing countries, especially in rural or underdeveloped areas, as the schools, hospitals, and even local government put the budget to adopt such technology. This barrier makes edge computing inaccessible, and even if implemented, problems will still arise if the lack of funds or maintenance will be a problem.
Even if funding is not an issue in the government, for the citizens to access edge computing, they will need devices and gadgets that can run edge computing. However, these gadgets need to be as advanced as edge computing itself to be able to utilize it smoothly. This is a bigger challenge for developing nations, which often rely on second-hand and or mismatched technologies of Xi and Dastar 2016. Without proper equipment, integration becomes more complicated and less reliable for the citizens. We're diving into how the rising adoption of edge computing is transforming the field of industrial engineering, making systems more responsive, smarter, and more efficient than ever before. One of the most exciting developments in this area is the integration of edge AI and machine learning. Unlike traditional systems that rely heavily on cloud processing, edge computing enables data to be processed directly at the source, right at the edge of the network, close to where real-time actions occur. Real-time decision making. This capability means that industries can now react instantly to changes or issues on the ground without having to wait for data to travel to a distant cloud and back. This shift is particularly significant in environments where every second counts. Industrial IoT and edge integration. When combined with the Industrial Internet of Things or IIoT, edge computing significantly improves how machines are monitored and managed. This results in enhanced performance, better productivity, and reduced equipment downtime. Because edge systems can analyze data and make decisions almost instantly, they enable more reliable operations and help manufacturers optimize their production processes more effectively. 5G and edge, a powerful combination. Another key advancement is the combination of edge computing with 5G technology. This powerful duo is opening the door to the next generation of industrial applications. With ultra-fast communication and minimal latency, industries can now implement advanced solutions like predictive maintenance, real-time quality control, and more. These are not just upgrades. They are fundamental shifts in how smart manufacturing is conducted. In summary, these technological advancements signal a shift toward industrial systems that are not just efficient, but also intelligent and adaptable. They offer the flexibility to respond to unexpected changes and the resilience to thrive in a rapidly evolving industrial landscape. The future of industrial engineering is here, and it's happening at the edge.
I'll be sharing how edge computing connects to our program, industrial engineering, and what it means for us in the future. First, how does it relate to our field? Edge computing processes data directly from machines or sensor instead of sending it to the cloud. This means faster decisions, less delay, and better system performance. Very important in manufacturing and logistics. It helps improve efficiency, productivity, and reduces machine downtime, which are all core goals of industrial engineering. According to a 2016 study, edge computing allows smart factories to adjust operation in real time. That means fewer errors and smoother processes, something we always aim for. Next, how can it affect our future careers? As edge computing becomes more common, companies will look for engineers who understand IoT, automation, and even cybersecurity. There will be more job opportunities in smart manufacturing, logistics, and energy systems. We might also handle both software and hardware tasks, like maintaining systems and solving data or network issues. Lastly, what can we learn from this topic? Studying edge computing gives us valuable skills like real-time data analysis, basic coding for devices, and integrating IoT systems. These are all important in making smarter, safer, and more efficient processes. In short, Edge computing supports everything we are learning as IE student and prepare us to lead in industries that are going digital.
Good day, everyone. Today, I'll be concluding our discussion on edge computing technology that holds the promise to revolutionize digital service. By bringing data processing closer to where it's needed, but where the potential is immense. Implementation, especially in developing countries, still face significant challenges. Edge computing allows for faster, localized data processing, improving efficiency and reducing delays. However, in many developing nations, we're still facing issues like limited infrastructure, high costs, weak cybersecurity, and a shortage of skills professionals. This issue widens the digital divide between developed and developing countries. In fields like industrial engineering, edge computing is key to the digital transformations. It allows systems like those in factories, hospitals, or smart cities to process data in real time, improve responsiveness, and operate more securely and efficiently. From an educational and career standpoint, learning edge computing is a vital for future industrial engineers. It builds skills in data analysis, data integration, and cybersecurity, skills that are increasingly in demand across smart industry. It's a transformative model. It reshapes how we build systems, optimize operation, and respond to the rising demands of a connected world. For industries facing rapid change, it provides not just innovation, but resilience, and for us, the next generation of engineers presents both a challenge and a huge opportunity. Thank you. Again, we are the group 2.